Hi guys, hello everybody. Have a prettiest morning, have a great time to all of you and welcome to our YouTube channel that is Edumotion Tutorials, the power of education. This is a pure educational YouTube channel and we will provide you the best of the best quality and high-tech education. So please guys, subscribe our channel, like it, share it as much as you can and please comment it because your small step of a response, it will an empowerment of us and it will encourage us to provide you the best educational services. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Telegram as well as Twitter with the same brand name in India, that is Edumotion Tutorials, the power of education. So keep watching and don't forget to press the bell icon. It will provide you the new notifications and we will be glad to provide you the educational services.
हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू एजुमोशन क्लास। कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री मैंने यहाँ पे आपका चैप्टर कंप्लीट कर चुका हूँ कल के डेट में, कल के वीडियो में, लास्ट वीडियो में कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री आपका चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो गया। उसके कुछ एक्स्ट्रा प्रॉब्लम मैंने बोर्ड पे यहाँ पे ड्रॉ किए है। फर्स्ट इज दैट find the distance between the following points A first and second. This is your first sub question and this is your second sub question. Next is that find the length of the median. Find the length of the median of the triangle whose vertices are A of coordinate -1, B of coordinate 5, -3 and C of coordinate 3, 5. First we complete this question, then go to next question. Okay. First is that A comma 0, B 0 comma A, and if you consider that this is your x1 y1 x2 y2, then according to distance formula AB equals to under root x2 minus x1 its square plus y2 minus y1 its square equals to under root x2 minus x1 its square, y2 minus y1 its square. What is the value of x2? x2 0 minus x1 a its square, y2 a minus 0 its square under root 0 minus a minus a square plus a minus 0 a square, that is equals to under root minus a का square a का square a square, then 1a square 2a square, but a square का रूट निकलने के बाद में we get root 2a and the distance between these 2 points A and B, we have to find root 2a, we have to find this root 2a. Okay, next question is that question number 2, इसके अंदर ही क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है आपका। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 क्या है आपके पास? सेकेंड, R of coordinate -3a, a and S of coordinate a, -2a, and if you assume that this is your x1 y1 x2 y2, then we write RS equals to under root x2 minus x1 its square plus y2 minus y1 its square under root x2 a minus x1 minus 3a its square plus y2 minus 2a minus y1 a its square, that is equals to under root, see here x2 का वैल्यू आपके पास क्या है? a minus of -3a, y2 minus 2a and minus a under root a minus plus 3a its square, then minus 2a minus 3a its square, that is equals to under root a plus 3a 4a its square plus minus 3a its square under root 4 का स्क्वायर 16, a का स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर, 3 का स्क्वायर 9 a स्क्वायर, and this 69, 25, 25 a square, then 25 का root 5 a square का a. That is your distance between these 2 points is 5a. First r coordinate is given, then x coordinate is given, then rs equals to under root, we write x2 minus x1 into whole square plus y2 minus y1 into whole square. Then by using distance formula we get that value. Okay, in this way this first question is completed. Second question बोर्ड पे मैंने ड्रॉ किया है. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन क्या है? फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द मीडियन. फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द मीडियन of a triangle whose vertices are A, B, C. Then A of coordinate first 1, minus 1, B of coordinate 5, minus 3, and C of coordinate 3, 5. This is your vertices of this triangle. Means if you draw first of all one triangle A, B, C. If you draw, this is your triangle. A, B and C. Okay, ABC is triangle is given. Then find first median AD, then median CE, then median BF. Okay, if you draw this median, then point D, point E, point F, point D, point E, point F are the midpoint of the side BC, side AC, side AB. Okay, means if you write first D is the midpoint of side CB, साइड CB, देन C के कोऑर्डिनेट आपके पास क्या है 3, 5 और B के कोऑर्डिनेट 5, -3. देन दिस इज योर x1, y1, x2, y2 अकॉर्डिंग टू मिड पॉइंट फार्मूला. मिड पॉइंट फार्मूला क्या है? इफ यू हैव टू गिवन दिस टू कोऑर्डिनेट, फ्लाइंग सेगमेंट इज गिवन. ड्रॉ करता हूं मैं यहाँ पे A and B and P is the midpoint of this x, y. x1, y1, x2, y2. Then x equals to write x1 plus x2 y2. Y equals to write y1 plus y2 by 2 according to midpoint formula. Then we write x equals to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. X equals to, what is the value of x1? 3. What is the value of x2? 5 divided by 2. X equals to 3 plus 5, 8. 8 by 2, 4. x कोऑर्डिनेट आपको कितना मिला है? 4. y equals to y1 का वैल्यू 5 -3 by 2. y equals to 5 minus 3, 2, 2 by 2 means y equals to 1. ओके, देन D के कोऑर्डिनेट आपको मिले 4, 1 और A के कोऑर्डिनेट आपके 1, -1. देन क्वेश्चन इज दैट, क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है आपके पास? हियर find the length of the median of the triangle, means we have to find the length AD according to distance formula. A coordinate 1, -1, then D coordinate 4, 1. Then according to distance formula AD equals to, we take under root x2 minus x1 it square plus y2 minus y1 it square, x1 y1 x2 y2, that is equals to under root x2 4 minus x1 1 its square, y2 1. y2 का वैल्यू आपके पास कितना है? 1. देन minus 1 its square, that is equals to, write 4 minus 1 3, 4 minus 1 3, 3 का स्क्वायर plus we write 1 minus plus its square अंडर रूट 3 का स्क्वायर 9, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 1 2, then we get 2 का स्क्वायर, that is equals to अंडर रूट 9 plus 2 का स्क्वायर कितना है 4, then we get under root 13, that is your under root 13, value of this AD is your under root 30, okay. ओके यहाँ पे क्या किया है मैंने डिस्टेंस फार्मूला, x2 का वैल्यू आपके पास कितना है 4, देन वी गेट 4 minus 1 it whole square, 1 minus of minus 1 it whole square, then we get this 3 का स्क्वायर plus 1 plus 1 2, then 3 का स्क्वायर 9 plus 2, then we get under root 13, ओके. यहाँ पे आपका फर्स्ट AD का कंप्लीट हो चुका है, मैं यहाँ पे रिमूव कर रहा हूँ इसको, देन वी गेट नेक्स्ट. Next is that E is a midpoint of segment AB. E is a midpoint of the segment AB. A coordinate 1, minus 1 and B coordinate 5, minus 3. Okay, then E is the midpoint of the segment AB. Then A के coordinate we take x1, y1, x2, y2, x1, y1, x2, y2. Then x equals to, right, x1 plus x2 by 2, and y equals to, right, y1 plus y2 by 2. X equals to x1 1 plus x2 5 by 2, 1 plus 5 6 by 2 3. Okay, next y1 minus 1 and y2 minus 3 by 2, y equals to minus 4 by 2, then we get y equals to minus 2. Then coordinate of these 3, minus 2, 3, minus 2. कैसा फाइंड किया है मैंने? E is the midpoint of the segment AB. E is the midpoint of the segment AB. Then according to midpoint formula, A coordinate x1, y1, B coordinate x2, y2, x equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, y equals to y1 plus y2 by 2, x equals to 1 plus 5 by 2. 1 plus 5 by 2, then we get 3. Y equals to minus 1 minus 3 by 2, y equals to minus 4 by 2, then y equals to minus 2. Okay, and then we have to find CD, length of median CD. C के कोऑर्डिनेट आपके पास क्या है 3, 5. देन E के कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है आपके पास 3, minus 2. Okay, if we assume that this is your x1, y1, x2, y2 by using distance formula, then distance formula is that C equals to under root x2 minus x1 eta square plus y2 minus y1 eta square under root x2 3 minus x2 3 minus 3 eta square y2 minus 2 minus 5 eta square under root 3 minus 3 0 plus minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 eta square, that is equals to under root 0 ka square 0 49, then under root 49 means we get 7, means distance between these 2 points C is your 7. Next is that third abhi F is next, F is midpoint of segment AC. Segment AC. then A have coordinate 1 comma minus 1, C have coordinate 3 comma 5, A or C. Then we get x1 y1 x2 y2. Then we write x equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, y equals to y1 plus y2 by 2, x equals to x1 का वैल्यू 1 plus x2 का वैल्यू 3 by 2, x equals to write 4 by 2 means x equals to 2. y equals to write y1 का वैल्यू आपके पास -1 है प्लस y2 5 by 2, y equals to we get 5 minus 1 4 by 2, y equals to 2. आपके किसके कोऑर्डिनेट मिले? f के कोऑर्डिनेट आपके पास कितना है? 2, 2. एंड व्हाट इज द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ b? 5, -3. कैसा फाइंड किया है? दिस f इज अ मिड पॉइंट. f इज अ मिड पॉइंट ऑफ सेगमेंट AC. यहाँ कोऑर्डिनेट 1, -1, C यहाँ कोऑर्डिनेट 3, 5. यहाँ कोऑर्डिनेट 1, -1, C यहाँ कोऑर्डिनेट 3, 5. Then x equals to write x1 plus x2 by 2, y equals to write y1 plus y2 by 2, x equals to 1 plus 3 by 2, y equals to -1 plus 5 by 2, x1 का वैल्यू 1, x2 का 3 by 2, 4 by 2, 2. Then y1 का वैल्यू -1, y2 का वैल्यू 5 by 2, 4 by 2, 2. Then we get 2, 2. Then b के कोऑर्डिनेट आपके पास है 5, -3 और f के कोऑर्डिनेट आपके पास है 2, 2. Okay. Then we write this is your x1 y1 x2 y2 by using distance formula. BF equals to under root x2 minus x1 it square plus y2 minus y1 it square under root x2 2 x2 2 minus 5 its square, y2 2 minus of -3 its square under root क्या है? x2 का वैल्यू 2, 2 minus 5 its square and y2 का वैल्यू 2 minus of -3. This is your -3 square plus 2 minus plus 3 that is whole square. -3 का square 9 plus 2 plus 3 5 square under root 9 plus 25. Then we get 10 35 34 under root 34. That is your मीडियन के ये इक्वेशन फाइंड हो गए. क्वेश्चन आपका था जो फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द मीडियन. Length of the median of the triangle whose vertices are ABC means A coordinate is given, B coordinate is given, C coordinate is given. A, B, C. First of all, assume that D is the midpoint of BC. Then find the coordinate of D by using midpoint formula. X equals to x1 plus x2 by 2. Y equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. Then A coordinate is known, D coordinate is known. Then by using distance formula under root x2 minus x1 it whole square plus y2 minus y1 it whole square use करके find the median AD. Okay. Next, E is the midpoint of the segment AB. E is the midpoint of the segment AB. A have coordinate x1, y1, C have coordinate, B have coordinate x2, y2. Then by using midpoint formula, we write x equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, y equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. Then C is known, A is known. Then by using distance formula, find the value of C. Next is that F is the midpoint of the segment AC. Then according to midpoint formula find the value of x and y. Then we get the coordinate of F. Then lastly find the BF. How to find the BF? By using distance formula. The distance of BF equals to under root x2 minus x1 it whole square plus y2 minus y1 it whole square. Okay. In this way we have completed this question. Okay.